Hello, friends. My name is Kavaldeep Singh. I am from Dentist World, Lucknow, and Dentist World is a company in Lucknow which manufactures the dental chairs and other dental equipments which are used in the dental clinics as well as the dental hospitals. What I mean to say is by the dental hospitals is that uh, in the dental colleges, few of the equipments like dental phantom heads. It is not called dental phantom heads, but it's called phantom heads. They are required for training the students uh, and that phantom head contains a jaw set in which they place the teeth, and they use the micromotor and air rotors to make cavities and other stuff. So we manufacture the phantom heads, we manufacture air rotor trolleys, we manufacture we can modify and manufacture anything related to these, like the dental chair, like the phantom heads. We can make single, double, we can make motorized, hydraulic, manual, and air rotor trolleys we can make according to our need. Double air rotor point, single air rotor point, anything we want we can do it. Now what is the benefit of doing business with dentist world? Maybe there may be some other companies also who are dealing in dental chairs or other stuff, but the main reason you can deal with dentist world is that we can in the long run help you if somebody wants to um, get help in the servicing sector, in the sales sector, in the manufacturing sector, because we help people grow their business of dental, because we have only the dental knowledge. So we have uh, all the dental materials, dental instruments, dental equipments used in the clinic, and those dental materials and uh, equipments and instruments we also purchase and sell. For this, we generally go to China to get our stuff. We can also get the stuff for the other people if they are doing business, if they want something in a bigger quantity. It is always better if you are interested in getting a huge quantity, which you can get a very good price from China, then you will be the leaders in the market for selling that product, because everyone likes to buy from those who are able to give a lesser price for a better quality. So we cover that also. We help people who wants to set up their own business in the dentistry field for selling the dental equipment, material and instrument, and this we are also doing. And we were from a long time opening dental clinics, not only for the adjoining areas. From We are from Lucknow, so we are not only from Lucknow or nearby areas, but from whole of UP, Delhi, Punjab, Haryana, Bihar, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra. So we are covering a huge area, but we are covering till Kerala. We have doctors who are buying equipment from us even from Karnataka, Kerala, and other very far places. And although we are not into exports, but we have done exports. Although we are not interested to do many of the things which are done in the dental, but we are doing government supplies also. We are also the government suppliers. We are directly supplying in the gem for the dental chairs and dental clinic setups, and in the gem suppliers we supply the whole dental clinic. Like a dental chair does not mean only the dental chair. Dental chair means everything: the compressor, the ultrasonic, the light cable, everything, every hand pieces, and many other, sometimes the RBG and x-rays also including. So like that, if you want, we can guide you, we can help you, and we are doing this from the past 20 years. And most of our work is related to supply and managing our orders. Sometimes some special form of orders are also there that we also do. I cannot tell everything, because special means something new comes up. So we do that also. But mostly we are helping other people get into business. Even if it is a dentist, he opens a clinic, then he gets into business. And or even if there is any person who wants to do a dental business, we help them also. Thank you very much. My contact number is 9415001586, and my company name is Dentist World. I am located in Lucknow. I have an office, factory, everything in Lucknow, and you can just contact me on my WhatsApp to get your work done. Thank you.